extrajudicial killings, hindi nare-resolve ang problema. Instead, minomultiply pa. Yes or no?
Maaari po, Mr. Chair.
Yes or no?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Kaya ako po, personally, natutuwa na yung Quadcom nandito. At least, mapigilan na itong extrajudicial killings. And nung nasa active service pa ako, isa, Mr. Chair, at sinasabi ng senior officers, kaya nasibak ako sa Cavite, yung nasa watch list na 20. Actually, 21 yun, Mr. Chair. Peacefully, napasuko ko, napasurrender ko yung 20. And because of that, nasibak ako sa pwesto. Hindi daw ako marunong sumunod sa guidance. Hindi ako marunong sumunod, Mr. Chair, kasi nga, sabi ko doon sa senior officer, mali yun eh. Yung isang suspect, isasacrifice mo yung buhay. Pwede naman bigyan ng second chance. Actually, Mr. Chair, kung iintindihan ng mga kasama natin, maganda yung intention ng tokhang eh. Kakatukin mo yung pamilya, i-inform mo na may information na nasasangkot sa illegal drugs yung kanilang kapamilya. At kung pwede, isurrender, mag-undergo ng seminar to be handled by, being handled by religious leaders. Alam nyo ba yon, Colonel Leonardo, na may ganong programa?
Meron po, Mr. Chair.
Yes. And because of the reward system, would you agree na may mga police na nag-take advantage para kumita? Yes or no?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes or no?
Yes, Mr.
Yes, thank you, Colonel Leonardo. So, again, Mr. Chair, napakaganda na na-address ito ng Quadcom. At least, alam ko po, yung mga police na involved dito ay mapipigilan para wag nang gawin pa. Kasi nga po, sabi ko, ang pananaw ko, personally, hindi nare-resolve yung problema. Instead, minomultiply natin. Ngayon, hindi pa natin nararamdaman. Pero one thing for sure, Mr. Chair, marami ng bata ang nagsasuffer. Marami ng bata ang nasisira ang buhay at kinabukasan. So again, personally, ako po'y natutuwa, Mr. Chair, na mayroong Quadcom wherein ina-address po itong extrajudicial killings. And based on our hearings, conducted hearings, very clear. Talagang may extrajudicial killings. And Brother Colonel Leonardo, salamat. At least, yung mga tanong ko sa'yo ay sinagot mo ng diretso. Yun lamang po, Mr. Chair. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Congressman Busita. And last interpellator for this morning, Congressman Lord Dansuan. You're recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Colonel Leonardo, before you were appointed as Police Commissioner, what was your assignment?
I was with the DNR, Mr. Chair, as Undersecretary po.
Ano po? DNR?
Yes, sir, Mr. Chair.
But that was after your stint as CIDG Chief in Region 11, was it not?
Correct po, Mr. Chair.
Did you apply for the position of Police Commissioner or were you recommended for the post?
I was appointed, Mr. Chair. I just received order, Mr. Chair.
Would you consider a commissioner of the NAPOLCOM a high position, Colonel Leonardo?
Based on salary grade, Mr. Chair, it's higher, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Are you a lawyer, Colonel Leonardo?
Hindi po, Mr. Chair.
Do you have a master's degree or a PhD?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
A PhD?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Okay. So you had that before you were appointed as police commissioner?
Yes, Yes, Mr.
You were
Chair.
already a PhD before you were appointed as police commissioner?